Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a Snapchat account. I will walk you through the steps on how to create an account and how you can start using Snapchat. So let's just immediately start by of course opening the Snapchat app once you have installed it. Then in order to create an account you need to click on sign up. Here, what you need to do is you need to enable permission to improve your experiences so that Snapchat can access your notifications and contact book. Just click on continue and click on OK. Then you will need to allow that they can send you notifications. Just click on allow. And now what you're going to do is you're going to create your Snapchat account. Just give it a name and last name is optional and click on continue. Then your birth name or birthday, of course, really obvious. Just choose whenever you were born. I would recommend choosing to be older than 18 years old, so you have all the Snapchat features. Just say that you're 18 years old, doesn't really matter. And then clicking on continue. This is your username. You can also change it by simply clicking on this really small text right here, and then you can change it. I will just keep mine like this and click on continue. Now you need to set up your password. Just change any password you like, of course, which is really obvious. I'm just going to choose a random password right here. It doesn't really matter. And I will also disable save login info on your iCloud devices because I will be deleting this account afterwards. Then clicking on continue to create your entire Snapchat account. And then one last thing before you can start using Snapchat is simply entering your email. This is of course also really obvious. Just enter the email you are going to use and you have access to, because you will get a code which you need to type in on Snapchat in your inbox. So this is my email. And then you can need to also add a phone number. However, you can also just skip this. I would recommend skipping this. And now we can see that a lot of people here from your contacts will be there. I will just recommend clicking on skip, and then you can manually add them to your Snapchat. Just click on skip for now and skip for now, just like this, skip. And now that you have disabled all your contacts, so you're not following anyone yet, so you get a brand new Snapchat, is you need to create your Bitmoji. Just click on OK, and now it's going to ask you to have access to your camera. Well, I actually don't want to create one. I'm just going to click on and this is me right here. I'm going to create one right now. Doesn't really matter which one I'm going to choose. Just click on continue, and this is my Bitmoji. You can also change some outfits. However, if you think it's fine, just click here on done. And now we are here in Snapchat, and now you have finally signed up for Snapchat. This is how you can create a Snapchat account, and here you can invite a lot of people and just do everything you want with Snapchat, what you will normally do, but then on a new account. So that's how you can create a Snapchat account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.